20 years is only a flash in the long river of times. But for Mingmei, it is 20 years of constant pioneering, innovating, and pursuing of excellence. In 20 years, Mingmei people keep applying the ideas of development. Be professional, be discreet, and be efficient. In 20 years, Mingmei focus on researching and developing of equipments of door and window, full of passion and will, all the way to the forward. In 1995, Mingmei Machinery was established in Jinan, opened a new page of aluminum plastic door and windows machinery. In 2001, Mingmei started professional production of aluminum door and window equipment's accessories, supported many famous peer companies. In 2004, Mingmei upgraded, offlined complete machines, started selling in the whole country scale. In 2007, Jinan Mountain Factory started using, enabled the large-scale production of aluminum door and window equipments. In 2008, the production and sales of Mingmei aluminum plastic door and window processing equipments became industry-leading. In 2013, all-new Mingmei Industrial Park opened, realized production, study and research, 3 large manufacturing bases. Mingmei Machinery entered the high-speed track of development. The company currently has aluminum plastic proximate material, door and window panel wall, wood window processing, panel furniture plate processing equipment, 5 big series, and more than 60 mature products. Because of its variety and highly cost-effective, Mingmei rises into one of the best door and window panel wall equipment manufacturers in China. Mingmei, supplying aluminum plastic proximate material, door and window panel wall, wood window processing, panel furniture plate processing equipment, and providing one-stop solution service for customers all around the world. Technology drives progress. Mingmei Mechanical, using advanced innovative thinking and strategic insight, creates Mingmei's technology and scale advantages. The R&D team formed by many mechanical experts, the modularization development and design concept, and the trial producing and experimental engineering management ability greatly improve the speed of new products development, put new technology, new materials, and new products to good use. The company's independent R&D and many invention patents fills the blank in the industry. The company collaborates closely with multiple universities and research institutions, converts technology innovation into productivity, not only improves the product's quality, also became the trend leader in the industry. To do a good job must sharpen the tool first. Although Mingmei is a machinery manufacturer company, it makes standard first. 70% of employees have rich experience in the standardized factory, stick to the scientific production process, strictly enforce the precision management, strive for perfection in the process of production. From the selection of raw materials to the materials heat treatment processing, applying 100 sets of advanced CNC machining center, planer milling, horizontal boring and milling machine, large surface grinder, CNC bending, and all kinds of precision machining equipment. By introducing the world-advanced British Renisalt, Renishaw inspection equipment, such as laser interferometer, the Q instrument, Mingmei ensures product's perfection and up to the international quality standards. Strength labels existence. Performance grades future. Mingmei Machinery already achieved the industrial value chain's mutual support and complementation, which gives new meaning to the creation of Mingmei's quality. LJZ2R, CNC 500, star 6000, arbitrary angle CNC double-headed cutting saw, Adjust between the 45 degrees, 157.5 degrees, 1260 aluminum 4-axis NC machining center, suitable for all kinds of mounting holes such as flow, lock hole, special shaped sink hole processing, 8 locations tool library, automatic tool alternation. SKS CNC 1200 NC drilling and milling machine is suitable for aluminum profile drilling, slotting, round hole, opposite hole, high precision, safe and reliable performance. Fully abide the ISO 9001-2000 International Quality Management System certification. Further carry out the CE Quality Management Control System in the enterprise. Let the product's quality and management internationalized. Intensive cultivation. Mingmei puts customer service at the first place, applies advanced concept and the idea of be willing to give up, builds a interactive service chain by connecting dealer and customer together, therefore makes machinery and equipment industry constant upgrading possible. Focus on the quality, precision production, intimated service. Implement it in the market by applying Mingmei's unique marketing services engineering. Customer satisfaction keeps improved. Refine the quality, innovation first. Pioneer the world, marketing first. Mingmei Mechanical sales network spreads all over the country, transfers fine products to all China, brings our passionate service to every corner, lets Mingmei's culture last forever in customers' heart. The national layout, 40 after-sales service centers across all over the country, provide solutions for customers at once. Let them have no concerns. Every span testifies history and dream. Every growth accompanies hard working and sweats. Mingmei machinery, step by step, portrays the magnificent blueprint. Mingmei is using its high-end technology advantage, large production scale, and impeccable after-sales service system creates value for customers. Mingmei Mechanical, sending sincere invitation to industry's fellow colleagues. Communicate, interact with each other, reach new peak together. Hand in hand and win together. Our service is on your side, Mingmei.